Makotaay village in Fongbin Township sits along the Pacific coast. Fencing has been erected around the site as workers carry out construction in phases. The old Shoguran River Rafting Visitor Center has been demolished, and renovation work is in full swing. But nestled against the coastal mountain range, the Amis people who have lived here for generations share a deep bond with the sea. From food and ritual to language, their way of life is steeped in a rich ocean culture. To revitalize the Amis bamboo sail raft building craft and recover traditional wisdom, the Taiwan Amis Sustainable Development Association in Makotaay Village, through the Cultural Talent Development Program hosted by the Council of the Indigenous Peoples, launched the Amis Bamboo Sail Raft Craft Program in the indigenous community.
Miriaw ami pa tarakar to fanak na matuasay na ikul tuy nanay kura masupertay mariaw ay mapatarkar fanak no nyaroi mga ay pakani tini pitsulatan pasi fanak to wawawaw terus saka upi ciruan naray matini sako udlang at to nohoram mi tungaray cara to suano amis no pangcah rumah satu mitultuay cara to pakani to suan ni luid mama to no amis ami pahapinan tura fana to misangay to kafayangay sanay.
Bamboo rafts, lashed together with natural materials, were once an essential tool in traditional life for transport, cargo hauling, and fishing, built to navigate both rivers and the open sea. As roads were built and the economy changed, motorized rubber rafts have gradually replaced them since the 1970s, and traditional bamboo rafts have since become rare to spot.
Ayaw ko mataasay misanga tura sibayngay urunan o sapat. Ani nito udalango yan to ani ngira.
Oh, ay itiya ora mataasay misanga cara usapi maana usapi puting na da.
Usapi puting. Hai, usapi puting nira. Na hakika na chay pikadlot. O baroray kura kadlot kira. O bayang kira novali sana nahak. Han sa tim sa siyo miterang tora kasasiyo tin rabayang matira.
The Makotaay Bamboo Sail Raft program was implemented in September 2025, with a sailing test planned for September this year. During this time, indigenous community elders and craft bearers have led youth in learning raft building techniques, ocean knowledge, and hands-on experience with natural materials, passing them on through intergenerational exchange. To ensure smooth implementation, the Council of Indigenous Peoples visited the indigenous community to learn about the progress, conditions, and needs on the ground.